Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to book your train ticket on the Haramain high speed railway. So if you go on to www.sar.hhr.sa and come to this website, and you can book your train tickets from here. So you could either do one way or a round trip. So from say Makkah going to Madina, say 26, and then how many adults, and then search.
If you're liking this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also join me on TikTok and Instagram.
So this will give you some information on what sort of luggage you can carry with you. So you've got one travel bag and one handbag, and you've got the measurements of your luggage as well. So here you can select how many adults or how many children or how many infants will be traveling with you, and then you can choose your timings. And under each timing you have two options. You've got a business class and an economy class. So the business class is 362.25 Saudi riyals, and the economy class is 172.50 Saudi riyals. So just select business and then next. So then you come to this page and you can select your seat and which cabin you want to sit in. So I think these are all booked. So these ones are free. So you've got the white ones are the free tickets. So you just select the one you want, and then next. So you fill in your details, your name, your family name, your date of birth, gender, your document type. So it's your passport, national ID, Iqama or GCC. Your document ID. So if it's for passport, you just put down your passport number, expiry, and your nationality. So for here, I put down my UK number, your phone number, then you confirm your number and your email address, and then you pay. So I've already booked my ticket. So once you paid, and that's it, you're fully booked. The confirmation will be sent to your email address, and if you have the app downloaded on your mobile phone, your ticket will be on the app as well. So it's really easy to book your train ticket, and I will show you my journey on the train.
Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Remember me in your prayers, and I'll see you in the next vlog.